How to make kombucha. We start by making regular black caffeinated tea. Heat 4 cups of filtered water, bring it to a boil, put in 8 tea bags. After removing the tea bags, then add 1 cup raw sugar and let it dissolve. Now that our tea is steeped, we will put it in a clean 1-gallon jar. With the tea brew in this glass jar, you can feel it's very warm to the outside because it just came off the burner. The next step is going to be to add cold water because our kombucha culture would die, just like yeast will die if you put it directly into boiling water. So we want it to be warm, but not too warm. We will measure 8 cups cold filtered water to the tea mixture. This tea should now be somewhere in the range between 68 and 86 degrees, no higher than 86. You can add another ½ cup of cold or warm water depending on your temperature. This is our kombucha culture, which we got from a friend, or you can get a starter kit. Now we cover this not with the metal lid, but with this cloth, this cotton cloth and a rubber band. And this is going to sit on the counter for about 8 to 10 days. After leaving this alone for 8 to 10 days, then take a pipette and slide it down past to get a sample of this kombucha. Put the date on the jar. If you don't have a pipette to get your sample, you can use a straw. If your taste testing after your 8 to 10 day period is done and it tastes a little too tart for you still, just add a little sugar to your liking. Now, if your sample is already a little too sweet for your liking, you can put the cloth back over for another couple days and then do another sample. And that is how we make kombucha.